This is the iconic Miami residential tower by Zaha Hadid architects, showing the most amazing views, really, of any residential building in the city. We're going to take you through a 10,000 square foot unit, penthouse unit, one of a kind. This is the ultimate Miami view. You have 100-foot frontage, and this view overlooks basically the ocean. You see skyline, you get the Art Deco district of Miami, the ports. So you have a private foyer here. You enter through double door entry into an 86-foot living room that fronts east. Doesn't really feel like an $18 million apartment. It feels like a $50 million apartment when you come in. That's one of the nicest parts about it. It's very rare that you get 10,000 square feet on one level. We have really incredible hallways, which we don't even call them hallways, we call them art galleries because they have incredible wall space for art. You have 12-foot ceilings, in all of the galleries, which really creates an incredible walking space and art walls. The kitchen is all polyform, it's all black and white, it's very open, very modern, all monochromatic. Behind me you can see the views from the kitchen that are really beautiful, that expand right out to the ocean. You actually have 360-degree views. So views are what you get here in this building, particularly in the full floor penthouses that we're in right now. The kitchen actually opens up to a very large great room, family room style that's really quite beautiful. So let's go take a look at the master bedroom. It's actually the entire north side of the unit, so let's go see it. This is one of the most impressive master suites I've ever seen. Enter through a double door entry into a wide open bedroom area with its own sitting area, 12-foot ceilings, incredible expansive views. And this even has terrace access, which is really beautiful because you have access to your 100-foot terrace directly from the master. Also in the master bedroom, you have his and hers closets. What I love about this is that the closets actually have natural light, so they're all glass, because remember, the whole unit is 360-degree glass surrounding. So you have natural light coming into the closet areas, which are really beautiful. So let's take a look at the amenities. On level 60 and 61, you have a sky lounge and an aquatic center. What you have on 8 and 9 is an incredible gym and fitness center and spa area with an outdoor pool. Really, really beautiful. This is the only residential tower that has its own private helipad, and we're standing right on it right now. My name is Harvey Daniels, Vice President of Development Sales for One Sotheby's. Thank you for joining me in today's open house.